Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of Hindi. How are you all? I hope all are fine. And I am thinking that everybody is doing homework well in the manner and posting to your class teachers. Okay, children? Play safe, play at home only, don't go outside. Okay, children? Now, in today's class, I am going to explain about swar letters, swarakshar letters. Okay? Before that, I explained swar and vyanjan, but I am a previous class I already explained the swar and vyanjan. No? Now see here. Don't feel bored that I am explaining every time Varnamala. No. How many times if we learn this Varnamala, no, new things will come out in that one. Okay? In that part. First I am going to explain about Swar. Okay? Varnamala is, Varna means what is that? Varna means Akshar. Varna means what is that? Akshar. Aksharon ko hi Varna कहते हैं. This Varnamala is divided into how many parts? I told you no? 3 parts. What is that? Swar, Vyanjan and Samyuktakshar. No? I already explained this one. I am just revising this all. Okay, children? Now see, first part. If we take that first part, first one, Swar. In previous class also I already explained that. Swar means what is that? Swar means in English vowels. Swar means what is that? Vowels. How many vowels are there in Hindi? How many vowels are there in Hindi? Actually those are 11 only. See, 11 are swar letters, 2 are anuswar letters. What are those? See, A, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. How many are there? A, E, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au. Up to here only. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many? 11 only. 11 letters and these two are anuswar. Anuswar. These are also using as a dot and 2 dots. Aha sound and ang sound will come. Okay, these are adding as 1 dot and 2 dots. We are taking the symbols of these every letter from Swarakshar. These symbols are helping us to write a barakadi. That barakadi is helping us to write a word and that is converting into a sentence. Okay, children, how many vowels are there here? Those are 11 only. How many? 11 only. In this one, how we are identify the long and short vowels? So how much time we take and to pronounce the letters? No, in correct order. See, this is a short vowels. These are in previous class also already I explained short vowels. Short vowels means haswar. Haswar means only for just 1 second only we are saying this one. We are pronouncing this letter for 1 second only. A, E, U, Ru. Remaining all dirghaswar letters. Long vowels. These are long vowels. Why I am explaining only swarakshar letters? Now in this class I am going to explain particularly about this swarakshar. Why? Because after this with this related only I will give the question. Okay, children? I will give the related exercise to this one particular, this one. Okay, children? Then what you have to do? First see here. What are the dirghaswars? A, E, U, A, I, O, Au, over. Up to here are the dirgha swars. How many these are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Remaining next two are anuswar. No, anuswar. See? A, I, U, Ru, A, I, O, Au, Aha. These are all what? Consonant of this particular letters. A to Aha. These all A to Au letters are Swarakshar letters, I told you, no? These are Anuswar. These are which part belongs to which part? These are the Swarakshar letters. Why I am explaining so many times? See children, if how many times if we explain most of the parts and different sounds and different different parts and different methods will hidden in that one. That's why I am explaining so many times. See, example that short vowel and long vowel. Before that also I explained in the class. No children? Then these are for 1 second time. For 1 second only we are taking this one A, I, U, Ru. Then these are long vowels. These are for 4 seconds. A, I, U, A, I, O, Au. And these two are Anuswar. Children, did you understood this all? See, A से Au तक के अक्षरों को स्वराक्षर कहते हैं. You must have to remember these all the things in your mind. Understand? When you are doing that homework, no, compulsory this one coming, then you have to identify from the Varnamala what are the swar letters and what are the Vyanjanakshar letters. You have to identify properly then. Okay children? Now I am giving the homework. You must have to write and post to your class teacher. Now see, I am writing here. See? Circle the Swarakshar letters. Okay? Circle the Swarakshar letters. Here I am writing some letters here in the lines. First line I will explain. Okay? Remaining 3 lines you must have to identify. See children? Now here I am writing some letters. See, swar letters and vyanjan together I am writing. Okay, what I am doing here I am writing swar and vyanjan letters together. Okay. Easy method. See, first line. Here circle the Swarakshar letter. How we are going to identify the swar letter? See, first see here. Which line you are going to do the homework? That particular letter only, particular line only you must have to check. Don't go to next 3 questions. First go to this first line only. What is the first question given here? What is that? I am given the heading circle the Swarakshar letter. In this one, which are the Swarakshar letters? Where are they? You must have to see and circle that concern line only. Okay, which one? See here, first line, particular line you have to check. Don't go to here, straight this way, here, and second and third and fourth. Don't go there. First line only check it. Okay. What is the first one? See, E. E is the Swarakshar letter or Vyanjanakshar letter? It is a Swar. Okay. Then next, what is the letter? Ga. Okay. Is it a Swar or Vyanjan? It is a Vyanjan letter. Next, go to next one. What is that? Ru. Ru is what? Swar or Vyanjan? This is a Swar letter. Then you must have to circle here also. Next one, what is that? Cha. Then next, Ta. These are Swar or Vyanjan? Vyanjanakshar letters. Next, last one, what is that? E. No, E is coming in a long vowel. No, vowel means what is that? Swar letter. Then you must have to circle this one also. Like this, you must have to complete the next 3 questions. Okay, only Swar letters. Together I gave Vyanjan and Swar letters, but you must have to only circle the Swarakshar letter. Identify and circle the Swarakshar letter. Okay, children, complete this homework and post to your concerned class teacher. Okay, thank you.